Okay, folks, I got this nice, real nice rainbow D3C system up for sale. It's got the power nozzle and this little rainbow mate attachment. You can see in the stills it's got a window squeegee and some other sort of misting affair that I'm not too familiar with. It's got both size reservoirs, the big one and the smaller one, which is really cool. The full set of attachments, you can see it all in the stills. I like to do these little videos just to demonstrate that it works. So here we go. See, that's working great. It's just in great shape. I don't really think it's been used very much. The Powerhead, you can see in the stills, had one of the screw mounts in there broke off, and I built it back up with JB weld and did a great job of repairing it, if I do say so myself. But, you know, it is a repair, and the more times you take that bottom off, the sooner it will wear out. So there's that. Full disclosure, you can see in the stills. But I think it's going to last for a long time. And it works great. I mean, it's got a new belt in it. The motor's fresh. I mean, it's just had to have that repair done to it. Anyway, you can see it's a full component pretty much. It's a great deal, and I know you're just going to love the rainbow experience. Oh, let me pause this for a second. I just wanted to get this little rainbow mate hooked up. It's got its own cord, which I think I failed to have in the stills, but it is there. So behold. Look at that baby go. That's a real handy little mini power nozzle. It hooks on to the bare floor attachment, bare floor hose, I believe. But you don't often see these. I can't say that I've ever actually seen one before. It's a model RM2. Isn't that nice? Very nice little accessory. Okay, folks, thank you. I know you're going to love it.